Hello guys, how are you all? And it has been a long time. I came up with a new tutorial and it's going to be very short. So recently I was preparing my presentation. When I was putting two or three sentences together, or if I make a paragraph, and when one sentence cuts and is going to another sentence, I can see those kind of issue. And you can see like I just highlighted in the red color, and it gave me kind of headache, like I didn't know how to solve it because previously I never had this kind of problem, and I found a solution through internet and I just wanted to share with you. For that, you just select all the sentences you wrote, and then just go here. You can see the paragraph option. Here you can see Asian typography. From here, you just uncheck the second line and then just click OK. So now you can see the words are falling in a proper place and there will be no cut in between words. And even you can make a new alignment and you could see there will be no problem. So this is what I wanted to show to you guys because I just had a huge headache when I was trying to solve this problem. I hope this video helps you when you are preparing your presentation. You might know already, but I just wanted to share with you all because some people might not know. Thank you so much for watching and I will meet you with another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.